send bulk WhatsApp messages notifying about the new offer to all my existing customers. And do you think that I'm just going to do this manually? No, I'm just going to use Pabbly Chatflow to do this. And in order to do this, you just have to open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user like me, but if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of credits free every month to explore Pabbly Chatflow. 100 of credits free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages with images for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here, which is RITYT. You can use this special discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard, and in order to send this automated WhatsApp messages, you first have to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. As you can see that I have already added my WhatsApp number right over here. If you haven't added this till now, you just have to click on this add WhatsApp number button and add it right from here. Once you add your WhatsApp number, you're going to see it will appear like this. If you want to learn in detail how to add your WhatsApp number, we have a video tutorial on this which is given in the description box below. You can refer to that and learn how to add your WhatsApp number. After you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, go on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow. After you come on this broadcast section, you can see the total broadcast, the live broadcast, the sent and the scheduled one. Now what you have to do is you have to click on this add broadcast button and a window something like this will appear in front of you. Now you have to select the broadcast type as broadcast campaign. For the name of the broadcast, you can enter the name of your choice. I'm just going to keep it as new offers right over here. Now it is asking me to select the contact list. So in order to select the contact list, you first have to create one. And in order to create the contact list, from the left hand of the side, go on this contact section and you can create the contact list directly from here. If you want to learn how to upload the contacts, then go on this add contact button. From here you can upload the single contacts. If you want to upload the bulk contacts, go on this add bulk contacts button and over here you have to upload the CSV file. You just have to enter the details of all your customers in a sheet, go on this file, download and download this in CSV format and simply upload this CSV file right over here. Like this, you can further segregate the contacts into the list and you have to select the same contact list right over here for which you want to create this automation. You can select multiple contact lists too right over here. And if you want, you can also select this all contact list button in order to select all the contact lists. Apart from this, I am just going to select this contact list. After this, it is saying refine audience, which is optional. So over here you can exclude the contacts you don't want in this broadcast. Over here you can select the contact list to exclude. Over here you can specify the personal contacts which you want to exclude. Apart from this, you can also exclude contacts in an active 24 hours conversation window. What is going to happen is this is going to skip the contacts who message you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive a reductant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. So you can switch on this button if you want. I'm just going to switch it off and delete right over here. I don't want to refine my audience. Now it is asking me to select the message type. So you have two options, pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you go for this pre-approved template message, from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this template section and you have to make sure that you create the template. Over here right now, I'm just going to use a regular message. So I'm just going to select this regular message. You have to select the regular message type right over here. So as I've already mentioned this, I'm just going to send bulk messages with images. So I'm just going to select it as image right over here. Now it is asking me for the caption. Okay, so let's just enter this same WhatsApp message. I'm just going to copy and paste it right over here. The caption is successfully added. Now it is saying header file URL, which is the image. So over here you have two options. You can also upload the image directly. Over here you can copy and paste the file URL. Otherwise you can upload it from your media library. You can go on this upload from media library and we're going to see all the images which I have uploaded. If you want to upload it from your computer, then you can click on this add new image button and you can choose a file directly from your system to upload it right over here. I have already uploaded my image, so I'm just going to select the same and click on this insert button. Now this image is inserted and over here is the file URL of the same. Now what I'm just going to do is move on further. Over here it is saying username and the phone number. So in order to send this broadcast, we can simply schedule it or send it instantly. But before we send this broadcast to multiple customers or leads at once, what we're going to do is we are just going to simply test test this broadcast. In order to test this broadcast, you have to enter the username right over here and the mobile number on which you can test this broadcast. So I'm just going to enter this and click on this send test message, and you're going to see it is saying test broadcast sent. So let's just open our WhatsApp, and we have received this one new message right now. Over here is the message which says summer sale alert. Over here is the image too. Okay, so this message looks fine and we can send it further. So let's just move on further, and yes, this message is fine, and I'm just going to send it to all the customers. So in order to send this to all the customers, we have two options: schedule for later or send instantly. So if you wish to send this instantly, you don't have to worry, just click on this no send instantly and click on this add button right over here. And if you want to schedule this for later, just click on this yes schedule for later and select the date and time from this right end of the site. Over here you're going to see the calendar button, so just select the date and time. So I'm just going to schedule it for 20th of May and the time will be 12 p.m. So I'm just going to schedule it for 20th of May 12 p.m. Let's click on this add button right over here. Now it is saying add to your scheduled broadcast time. Only contacts who message you within the previous 24 hours will receive your broadcast message. Contacts outside this window will not receive this broadcast. If you want to make some changes, you can change it right over here. Otherwise, you can just click on this add button and add broadcast button. Once you click on this add broadcast button, yes, this broadcast is added right over here. It is scheduled for 20th of May 12 p.m. and it is going to be sent on this date and time. Apart from this, once this broadcast is sent, if you want to view the stats of the same, then you can go on this view stats, and from here you can view all the stats: how many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored or failed. And you can also resend the failed right from here. You can go on this valid failed and invalid failed and resend it right from here. Yes, this was the concept of how to send bulk WhatsApp messages in minutes using the images too. You can send these images with this bulk WhatsApp messages. So go and try this for free, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, and while trying, if you have any doubts, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials, to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, everyone. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.